The crypto market is about to explode. And we have started this stream for the second time now, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm here. We are doing it. But we're gonna pretend that nothing happened because the algo picks it up the other way and we are focusing on growth. Guys, as you see, the content of this video is not financial advice and only informational purposes only. I don't know why it's here now, but you know, we had some technical difficulties. I am here. That's what matters. Guys, please share this stream so everybody can get back in and we can continue. I'm going to start from the very beginning. What I believe is that we are going to see a massive, massive explosion. I have been talking about this for the past 3 days, and I believe that it is time for it to happen. More and more days pass by from Wednesday. More and more, less and less I am confident in this actually happening. But because I see very, very strong indications, I am still extremely, extremely bullish. If you are rewatching this stream or if you are here now, please, please, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. We do this every single day, and I give you trading offer, I give you trading setups, we talk about news, we talk about everything relevant in the crypto world. So let's get going. So here's the thing. As I said yesterday on the stream, this is what I said about USDT dominance. Push up to this region. So somewhere here we are going to see a reversal on USDT dominance. Something like this. When that happens at 50%, that's what I expected here. And then a retrace, but the retrace will most likely be only to the 50%, which is... So what I was expecting is that we will see a pump on USDT dominance. Now, USDT dominance, yesterday on live, we have talked about this. It's negatively correlated to the crypto market. If the USDT dominance is going up, that means that the total market, so the USDT dominance actually shows the percentage which is allocated in USDT out of the total crypto market cap. So if the USDT dominance is going up, that means more and more percent is allocated into USDT and not in Bitcoin and in any other coins. So what I've been explaining is that I expected yesterday to see I know I still have to buy a chair, guys. I still have to buy a chair, I know. But what I've been explaining yesterday, we were around here and I said we are going to go up to 4.94. We didn't go up all the way there, but we came to 4.9, which is actually tying in very nicely. I'm going to talk about this to the premium zone, and then we got a massive, massive rejection. Now, if you look at this, there are several scenarios that could play out here, and this is a make or break moment for USDT dominance and Bitcoin and crypto market as a whole. Because if you look at this from the rejection here in April, a very, very strong dump happened here, right? It was, I don't even know what news it was, but it was massive. So market actually took USDT and moved it into other cryptos, and therefore we saw a dump from 5.2%, 5.15% down to like 4.73, and a slow bleed from there. However, we saw a massive pump. Now recently, so here's the interesting and important part. Number one, we did not have a 50% retrace back to the premium zone after this dump. And as you move down the FIP tool, you see that there was no 50% retracement at all until just recently. So this pump up to this 4.9 region is actually the retrace to the 50% that we've been waiting for. It is completed. We do see a massive rejection happening from there, as you see lower low liquidity taking and liquidity creation down here. And because we see that, we have an AMD forming as well. AMD is accumulation, manipulation, distribution. I talk about this a lot on the show. If you don't know what I'm talking about, subscribe to the channel and come to the shows because we are talking about it a lot, and I'm going to have a complete tutorial on this as well. So we have accumulation here. Then we need to see manipulation, and then we need to see an initiation, which would be a lower low, a retrace, and a nuke. That's kind of what I would expect. What we see here is we have accumulation. Now we see manipulation. This is the scenario where USDT dominance goes down. So we need to see what plays. Again, if you have watched my Twitter yesterday, you saw I tweeted that video about being a trader is a game of probabilities. But I believe this is the most likely scenario. So we do see accumulation here. We see manipulation pushing into the bearish OB up here. And then we need to see a rejection from there. And when we see a rejection from there, we can confirm that the accumulation that was happening just below the bearish OB was in fact the part of the game, and it's leaving liquidity behind, and we will see a push lower, lower, and lower. Now, if that happens, obviously the USDT dominance is negatively correlated with the Bitcoin price. So if you look at USDT dominance and it's having an accumulation, a manipulation into a bearish OB, and then a distribution to the downside, we should see the exact opposite on Bitcoin. And we actually do see that. So if you look at this, my game plan or my gameplay is the following. I have been explaining this as well. I actually had a tweet about this. My mom is calling me. My mom is calling me. I just sent her a text if everything is fine. So I tweeted about this recently. I'm gonna have a follow-up tweet once this plays out, but this is the main idea here. We have accumulation. We will see manipulation down to this 62,800-ish region. I tweeted this on the 25th, which was yesterday morning, and we actually do see that playing out here very nicely. So it's 26,750 down here. Pretty much fucking nailed it. Like, it's pretty much what I actually described. So it was like this, then we had this, and then we need to see the distribution happen, and that is what I'm waiting for right now. I believe it is happening. Why? So if you put together, and we have 115 people back here, guys. The only thing we need to get back, we need to get back is the likes, because we were up at 80 likes and now we're up at 37, and we have 121 people watching, so we're back at views. Please, 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 please smash and obliterate that like button. It really does help, especially with a bad start like this. Please do that. Before I move on and explain to you how we're gonna make a shit ton of money today, I'm gonna look at the chat. I'm sorry, guys. It's been, oh my God, let me take a breath as well. The problem is that we have a lot of things cooking for the Banter channel. And you know, I have hundreds of gigabytes of videos on my Mac, and I always delete and put it on an SSD and whatnot, and I haven't done that. And my computer said F you and just stopped working mid-live. Let me look at the chat. You're not hiding from, I guess from you, Johnny. Cool. Back to see magic. That's what's up. I see we are up almost at 50 likes. Please, guys, please, 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 please. We have 130 people. We need to get above 100 likes. The algorithm will pick it up, and then we can help more people. Big man thing, you know. Okay, we're back. Look, we are so fucking back. What is the tick, 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 tick? The ticket is the tick. I will show you guys. It's just I shouldn't talk about Tucker that much, but it's just so good, so good. When live, now live. Yo, Drew, how is it going? LFG, Luca, and look in a house. Chizo, Tucker about to take off. We'll see. Thank heavens for the tech problem. I had my head down and was focused on something else. Would have missed it. You see, Drew? You see, everything happens for a reason. Is everything fine now? Please, guys, let me know. Is everything going good now? Yo, everything is fine. Hey, Fefa, is this financial advice? It's not financial advice. You're on the money. All right, good. Can we go bullish? Yeah, I think so. We'll see. Smash the like button. That's what's up. We short. No. Teenies Ninos. I don't know what that means. I hope it's not something bad. I made it. I'm happy you made it. Push that like button. And again, who sold their gummies? So what I wanted to say is, all of you guys, please guys, we need 20 more likes. Come on, smash that. So I wanted to say that we have actually distributed the wins from the other day. I bought gummy, $500 worth of gummy, and gummy price went down. So I didn't have the soul to send you the devalued gummy. So we actually sent you USDC. Everybody should have gotten it by now. All is well, Habibi. Why we don't short? Why would we short? Why would we short? It is, for now, until too many will be here again. Okay, long and strong. Okay, let's go. Love to tune in. My favorite class. I am so happy you're here. We're back at 80 likes. Guys, you are the best. You are the best. I'm bringing you alpha every single day for free on my time. I love to do this. I have passion for it. And if you literally just have to push the like. I haven't monetized this channel. There are no sponsors yet. Anything. It's just us. And it's really just please push the like button. That's all I need. Okay, so Here we go. And you can also share it with your friends, you know, and just invite your grandma and neighbor and all that to watch this. Why not? Or you can open up your phone and your Mac and your colleague's phone to watch this. So, you know, like all that, all the tricks, you know that. So here's the thing, negatively correlating. Let's talk a little bit. Okay, negatively correlated to USDT dominance. Look at this. So if that's TIA, that's not what I want to look at. I want to look at USDT dominance. So with if we expect USDT dominance to have a little bit of push and then a massive dump on New York AM or now and London, we need to see Bitcoin pushing as well. Here's the good part. What I see on Bitcoin is very, very, very fucking bullish. Very bullish. Why? I said we're going to have a manipulation that's coming down here. First of all, we did not have a 50% retrace on the Bitcoin chart so far. We just completed it. So if you look at this, if you pull, first of all, we had a massive dump down here, massive dump, and we do have a close below here, right? So this would qualify as a decent low, and we see a strong market structure shift. Not only on the 15-minute, but also on the hour. Look at this. It's a strong market structure shift, except on the hour we don't close below. But it's still fine. It's still fine. We took liquidity, we went above. From there, we did not have a 50% retrace. Then I pulled the fib all the way up, and this is the first time we have the retrace to the discount zone, right? We do have the retrace to the discount zone. Now, we need to see the discount zone touch for us to confirm institutional buyers coming in. Because we do see that now, what we want to see, again, contrary to the USDT dominance, is I want to see a strong market structure shift to the upside. Guess what? It just happened. So we did have the strong market structure shift from retracing to the discount zone. It's not a strong one because we do have some retrace here. So actually this would be our low, but we'll talk about that in a second. But what it happens is that we have a market structure shift. Now what I want to see a 50% retrace. Again, like I have talked about this a billion times, but we have accumulation, manipulation, right? Initiation is the market structure shift, retrace, pump, right? 4-point structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So that's what you want to see. Now we have the accumulation, we have the initiation, and now we have the retrace. You can pull it from here as well, but you can pull it from here as well. Either way is good. We have the retrace, and now what we see, we need to see a pump. The reason why I'm confident, more and more confident we should see a pump is because what we see right now is accumulation. Accumulation while building massive liquidity on top. This is liquidity up here. So what I think, or what I see is it's building up a pool here, not even talking about this one here. This is like a massive void, liquidity void that needs to be filled at least $65, $66, $67, at least $67,000. So, but where it's more important, where does this accumulation happen? And it happens literally above the major point of interest that caused the massive pump. This here is the point of interest that was responsible for taking all this liquidity and creating market structure shift from down here. So if we see, and there is a decent inefficiency as well, so we can just mark this level here. This 63, 654 would be the level that I would be interested in taking a long position. Even at a limit order, this is not a bad position if you want to get into a position. I'm already in a TIA position, but this is not a bad position to take. 63, 654, low stop loss below 62,701. If we go lower, we potentially come down all the way to 62,300. If you don't want to take that chance, you can put your stop loss below there as well, 61,682, and then just wait for the pump. I do think we have to take liquidity, so it might not happen, but I do think that we need to see taking liquidity, initiation, retrace, push. This is what I'm waiting for, and if that happens, guys, that would tell me that the pump that this caused here, this massive pump here, and the liquidity built up from all these levels will push us to 69,000. It will push us. Whoa! It will push us to 69,000. So that's my game plan. Looking at the USDT dominance, looking at Bitcoin. The only thing that I'm concerned about is macro. The only thing I'm concerned about is sentiment. Guys, we have 170 people watching. Absolute fucking legends. I'm so happy. Now here's why I'm sad. Because we only have 102 likes. No, I was joking. I actually can cry. I actually can make myself cry, just so you know. So please, guys, come on, push the like button. It's nothing. It takes you 2 seconds. You know what? In fact, I'm going to show you how to do it. So you know it takes like 2 seconds. You go into, you don't even have to do all this, what I'm doing right now. But you go here, and you literally just have to do this. That's it. Done. Done. That's it. Nothing more. And if I'm here, I'm also going to show you some stuff, which will be, if you scroll down and you see the description, which is not here for some reason, here. If you see here, I've got some cool links here. I've got Blowfin, I've got Evo, Bybit, Bitget. You got cool prices and cool bonuses for signing up. If you want a cool exchange, do that. So let's talk about, let me look at the comments, guys. Come on, let me look at the comments. This is that time. We're gonna look at more charts as well. I'm gonna follow up on my TIA trade. We're gonna look at more charts. I'm gonna look at 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢. I'm gonna look at 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢. And then at the second half of the show, you can request your tokens to be viewed. So I am going to look at some tokens. Let me look at the chat right now. Guys, come on, let me know in the chat. What's happening? Are you here? Are you happy? Are you enjoying this content? Like, let me know. What's up? What's going on? Are you long? Are you short? Where do I put the invalidation? I think we have discussed that. I think I explained that. Now, if I haven't, let me know. Concerns me about 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢 exploding. It's pretty damn edgy, which I love. Edgy in terms of like it's controversial. Core PC out in an hour could cause some volatility. That would be perfect. That would be perfect for us to see down the manipulation down to the levels that I marked. So happy to be here. I'm so happy you're here, Steph. Yeah, bro, you're a legend. You are a legend. We know what are the best. Otherwise, we wouldn't be here with you. Only the best can listen. The master of I hope I'm not disaster. Sato with his 16 BTC on short should survive or not. I don't know what Sato is, but if he's short, you know, he might have a thesis. I don't know. Van Fefa School, coming, guys. Coming. Mass of liquidity 65,400, 65,500. It lays very much in there, what I just explained. Explo is what, 10, 20, 100, 500. It really depends. It really depends. So for me, explosion can be like, first off, I'm targeting like 69,000. But this can very well be the beginning of the new leg. I don't know, but it could potentially be. Brian is back here as well, long and strong. Medex is enjoying. Someone's saying Gumby. I have likes to trade here, guys. Nice. Bro, play some music. I do play. You don't hear the music. I am here playing some music. Good morning, Elizabeth. Should I say it? Is it you? I'm just joking. Only long here investing, no time bet at trading. Okay, now you gotta come and visit more. Hey everyone, just waking up. Awesome. Do a FEFA meetup in Cape Town. I'm not in Cape Town, but I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go soon. Maybe not soon. Problem with Cape Town is for me is that there is no studio. I don't have my studio there. I don't have my team there. It's like, I love going there to the Banter, but it's like, it's a struggle when it comes to producing content for me. And also in the office, when you enter the office, you already have to buy like 50 memes and this and this and this, and then you get distracted, which is very good, but it's not good for productivity. When do I think all season starts? I have no idea. I think the next wave is going to be big. Airwave, please. Stefan, I don't know if you're here, but the thumbs diagram just arrived. I just got the thumbs down. Stefan, you gotta step up, please, so I can put you up if you're here. Cape Town is the place to be. It's a nice place to be. Some country song, we can do that. Now I hear the music. Where are you based? That's a secret. Baseman, Isaac Coleman. Okay. Here we go. Let's go. First of all, guys, we have 133 likes. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. We have 175 people watching. The top we had was 223. So we should smash that record again. What about Doge? What about FTM? We can look at them in a second. Let's jump back in here. Let me look at my my face. No. Okay. Let me look at BTC. We talked about this. Let me look at TIA. So I am underwater TIA, guys. So bad. I think after this trade, I think I'm gonna start trading with my stop loss. If I would have followed my own principles, I would have taken a stop loss here. Like literally. I just would have taken a loss. but no, because it's the bull market and don't use stop loss, and it actually is because then I don't focus. But now that I have much more time on focusing and like really looking in the charts because I'm doing the shows with you, I'm gonna start using stop losses, proper stop losses as well. So we're gonna do that. With TI, I think what we're gonna see a little bit of wick down. I'm big time down on this trade, guys, like big time. I had a potential to get out here, but I thought that this could be the reversal, and then yesterday we got the news it's not great, so we didn't go back higher. If not the massive pullback, which I think it is. So if you look at the 4-hour and TI, very great reversal. We do have a little bit of liquidity down here, but not much. It is coming down in a very nice manner, building up liquidity for us to see a pump. We just need to see a strong confirmation, and once we see that, I believe that we are looking at least 12.1, but rather we are looking at up here, which is like 15-ish level. And obviously being down bad means that I will be up good if this reverses, but I'll take the loss as well. If Bitcoin doesn't start mooning on the weekend, I'll probably take the loss. This is now again a very strong level. If we break this, the last hope that we've got is down here at 61,800. If that breaks, I don't know, then we're probably going lower. So technically above 59.5 we're good. Above 59.5 we're good. Below 61,800 I would start worrying. Below 61.8 I would start worrying. Guys, I don't see Stefan protecting me from this thumbs down guy. I think Stefan lost the stream. I think he didn't come back. So, yo, thumbs down guy. I want to see Tucker at 10 million. Never. It's not happening, bro. I guarantee. I envelope that it's not happening. This 4-hour close is going to be scary. Let's see what happens. Yes, it is going to be important as well. Not looking good, bruv. Not looking good, bruv. How do you think, basement? I don't know, basement. Hey, Fat. Hi. Hi again. I said hi, Elizabeth. Hi. I'm happy to see you here. Nash says, Nash, have you? I think I know you from somewhere. I think you've been here before as well. You just changed your profile picture. I'm happy that you watch my show every day, and I'm happy that you're here. If you're here, tell these people to smash the like button, because that's what we need. Basement is heading to 10 mil market cap, currently at 500k. We can look at it. Okay, we can degen some. We can degen some. Okay, here we go. That's what I believe will happen. I want to show you a couple of things. Number one, so the one thing I don't want to be the 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢 guy, you know? So someday I might just stop talking about 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢. Full disclosure, if you follow this content, you know I have a bag and I support the team, and Banter has partnered with 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢. First of all, when we partnered with 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢, they had 1,200 followers. Now they have almost 20,000. That's the growth. We're talking about 3 weeks. Check this out. If you, it's just okay. So I have to show you something before I show you this. So here is the original thing. Here is the original. Like, this is literally the funniest shit I saw. It's literally, I don't know if you saw this, but check this out.
4 more years.
And he says,
Imagine what we can do next.
imagine what we can do next.
4 more years. Pause.
Sleepy Joe. He's reading the teleprompter, and he says, imagine what we can do next. 4 more years. Pause. And then these guys, this is why I love 𝗕𝗘𝗢. I think 𝗕𝗘𝗢 is really fucking funny. On point, and you know, fast execution. It's funny, it's great. They put this out today.
Holy shit, folks. Just when you think you've seen it all, President Biden raises the bar. After a string of recent public speaking gaffes, I think we can all agree that he makes George W. Bush sound like a fucking genius. And last night, whilst campaigning in Montana, Sleepy Joe outdid himself. Let's take a look.
And that is why I pledge to continue raising capital gains to ensure the middle class stays middle class. But first, I need your help. Every 4 years, we have this little thing called an erection. Now, erections aren't easy, folks. They should be long and hard. That's democracy. But they really take it out of you. Just ask Joe. So for anyone who says I'm too old or that I don't have the stamina to deliver, let me just say this, determined look. I am going to give this next erection everything I've got. And when I'm out on the campaign trail, tired and exhausted, you know what inspires me to achieve a huge erection result? The children. I just think of the beautiful children of this great country. God bless you all, and God bless the United States of America. Wave, exit left.
Wave, exit left. It's genuinely so funny. I love, and you know, guys, I'm telling you, this thing is going places. I'm telling you, I'm so bullish. Not only the token, it's a project. It's just so fucking good. If you're not following 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗢, you should. It's really, really, really funny. It's really funny. It's really good. And we got a full-time script writer on board, or the team has a full-time script writer on board now. They're getting new editors on. We're gonna have 2-3 contents coming out every single day, covering real life events. It's really, really good. And there is the token, of course. Again, I'm a back holder. I genuinely think this thing is going to easy 20x from here, and easy 20x. Okay, so let's talk about 𝗕𝗓𝗡 as well. I'm going to talk about 𝗕𝗓𝗡 as well because Banter's meme. I was concerned that people are going to lose money by buying into this. This is why I warned you. If money that you have in any meme coin, whether it's 𝗕𝗘𝗢, whether it's 𝗕𝗓𝗡, whether it's WIF, I don't care. Take it out. Take it out because sell some, because this can wreck you. Everything can wreck you. 𝗕𝗓𝗡, we love 𝗕𝗓𝗡. Nothing stops 𝗕𝗓𝗡 in my opinion. Ryan is a genius, you know, like with the whole staking. So like staking, but taking a 𝗕𝗓𝗡, because you take a 𝗕𝗓𝗡 and it's staking. Anyway, it's gonna be so funny. Lots of things gonna launch on there. I do see utility for 𝗕𝗓𝗡. I do think it can go places. Whether I would buy now, if you don't have a tiny bag, I think you're missing out. Whether it's a good buy now at 100 mil, I mean, it literally went to 200 mil within no time. It got back to the 50 again. If we're talking about market makers, this went back to the 50 very, very nicely in discount, made a higher high. It could be an interesting long. Although I think you can't really chart a meme coin, this can be an interesting thing. Guys, if you are new to the channel, I see we have 200 people. This is what you got to do. That. And you have to smash the like button as well below. Please do that. We have 202 people watching, and we have what? 143 likes. So let's do that. Okay, let's talk about. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, let me just talk about. Guys, let me know what coins you want me to analyze, and then we can do that. I might add to my underwater tier position. I might add some. And USDT dominance we talked about. INJ, we had that mapped, but it didn't really touch anything yet. Nothing off yesterday's live was actually touched, so we didn't see any success here on any of the entries that we talked about. I do think it's building up liquidity. It could come down a little bit, and then let's see. We can also look at. I haven't looked at core PCA. I don't know when it's coming out. I don't know anything about it right now, to be very honest with you. I don't think it's that relevant. I mean, it's more and more relevant in the crypto space. I see more and more people pay attention to it now. It's advanced GDP. There is no core PCA today, is it? Oh, GDP was yesterday, yes. Came in 1.6, yes. It's actually not that big of a problem, because then slowing is not that big of a problem here. Oh, no, it came in, hold on. Yeah, exactly. It came in 1.6. It's not that big of a problem. It's not that big of a problem. I think the problem, brother, is the inflation numbers. PCA, yes, it's gonna come in 2:30, which is like it's like 45 minutes from now. 0.6, 0.3, 0.3. I don't really think that this is gonna have any impact on the crypto market. You know, I don't think it's gonna have any impact. Although I'm not a macro economist, so I don't know, but I don't think it's gonna have any impact on it. Let's look at Banter Bubbles as well, just to be sure, guys. If you want to farm the 𝗕𝗓𝗡 airdrop, this is the little thing here. I have it on my phone. Oh, this is definitely something we're not gonna do now. But this is Banter Bubbles. You can run this up, and as you sign, I have it on my phone. I'll show you just so you know. Oh, I don't have the music on. Hold on. This fantastic non-copyright music. Just so you know that I'm not bullshitting. I have it on my phone here. It says loading. Okay, here we go. So I have it here, and it's mining me all the tokens. Yeah, the last 𝗕𝗓𝗡 airdrop actually brought in 7,000 points. Brought in about 1 𝗕𝗓𝗡, which is crazy, guys. I mean, if you think about this, and 𝗕𝗓𝗡 went up to like almost 20 cents, was it? Let me look at it. It's 20, what? 23 cents, guys, 23 cents. That means for every 1,000 token you earned, let's time how much time would it take to get the 1,000 tokens now on Banter Bubbles. So I'm just gonna start at 1,300 and I'm gonna start, hold on a second, hold on, I'm gonna start now. Okay, so I'm gonna start now. You know what, I'm gonna actually take this off. Put your questions in there, we're gonna do it. I'm gonna sign into Banter Bubbles now on here, and then we're gonna measure it together because I think it's a great opportunity to actually make money from this airdrop. I actually signed in, it was pretty fast, very good. So here's the thing. So let's see this, and we start now. I'm gonna start a timer as well. Okay, I started the timer now. So we started at 2,100. So I want to see how much would it take to earn 20 cents with Banter Bubbles. We're just gonna let it ride, and then we'll circle back to it. So the last airdrop, as I said, was 7,000 tokens, 7,000 points, accounted for 1 gummy. Okay, let me look at the chat until we see this. Guys, please smash the like button. We've got 200 people live, and we have only 154 likes. Come on, guys. Literally, don't be lazy. Come on. I'm not lazy taking the time being here, giving you alpha. Please don't be lazy, smashing it. Okay, let's look at it. Smash the like button, exactly. Smash the like, guys. I think the thumb down guy is watching the screen upside down. Perhaps, yeah, it's maybe a bat just like hanging. If we pump on weekend and make a CME gap, could that be a reversal? I actually think we are going to reverse, guys. Like, let's not make any mistakes. I do think we are going to reverse. I think we're going to go up to 69, and I think we're going to go lower. I think we're going to go sub 60. I recognize Nash Crypto too, not sure where from. Exactly. Fair, please, WIF chart. We can look at it. Go by 𝗕𝗘𝗢. I don't know what 𝗕𝗘𝗢 is. RWF chart. We can look at it. Bro, play some country song. Is the ticker no longer ticker? The ticker is always ticker, my friend. Trudeau Castro was the greatest thing I ever seen. Yeah. Great stream. Check. Okay. 4 more years. Pause. What a shame. Oh, Elizabeth. I think I have a hunch that you are that Elizabeth. I think you are that Elizabeth. Now I'm thinking more and more. What a joke, exactly. Check out 𝗕𝗘𝗢. We can look at it based on, okay. 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢 is hilarious. I love it. Yeah, 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢 is very, very funny. 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢 for president. Yes. These videos. Yeah, that's the big thing as well about the token as well. Everybody's saying, why is it 20x? Like, guys, this is election this year. Don't forget, it's election year. Imagine what 𝗕𝗘𝗢 will do to those poor people on the election. It's gonna be fucking hilarious. Okay. In Turkey, our one and only Erdogan is much more bomb than Biden. Yeah. Okay, I can't check all the comments, guys. It's just so much comments. So happy, but I can't check. I watch it every day. Bots. Check out. Yeah. Oh, these are bots. Yeah. Check out 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗙. Yeah, these are bots. I don't know how to. My team is there somehow, or Drew is here. You can limit them somehow. Hey, dude, what's up? Banter bag number 9. Nice. I liked. Nice. I had 18 million for the first airdrop. Got around 3,000 gummy. Did you get 3,000 gummy, bro? That's like $600. $600 for running an application in the background. It's crazy. Like has been smashed for 𝗕𝗘𝗢. Okay. Okay, great. So, oh my God, all these bots are coming here. We've got like check basement, check 𝗕𝗘𝗢, check this, check cheese, check all this shit. Oh, Nash is probably like also a bot. I watch your show every day. It's like literally she wrote this the 15th time. So he's saying I'm not a bot. You're just very bad at listening to your chat. You know what? Can I? Let me. You know what? I'm gonna do something to you now. Ban. There you go. Sorry, bro. I banned you. You're the first person to be banned on my show because of the constant spam. Sutoro anime. We'll miss you. Okay. So okay, here we go. Let's look at some coins, guys. Let me know what coins you want me to look at. Let me know what coins. Nash, I'm not gonna ban you, but you're not a real person, I think. Okay, so let me know what tokens you want me to look at, guys. DJ Crypto says not cool. Not cool banning them or not cool, you know, not cool having, you know, doing this. The rejection of ETH ETF would trigger a further correction. Honestly, it's already priced in. I genuinely think a rejection of ETH ETF is already priced in. It's like absolutely. What is the schedule for my lives? So I'm gonna do this. We're not gonna have technical difficulties, hopefully, and we are going to do these lives at 11 UTC. 11 UTC. So an hour ago, an hour before now is when I'm gonna start my lives. Now we ran because of all the technical difficulties and whatnot. Okay, let's look. Someone is saying, Mountain Runner, nice seeing you around here. You are the man. No, you are the man. I got more gummy because I got the bluefin airdrop. That's great. Ton coin. We can look at ton. Let's look at ton. This is bluefin, by the way, guys. I use bluefin. If you like bluefin, let me know. There is a link in the description you can check out. Same thing here. Look, so it is building up massive liquidity on both sides. So I think one side needs to be taken, and the side that will be taken first will not be the direction that the market is going to go. So I believe this is going to do something like this and then move on if it wants to. Potentially it will take liquidity from actually both sides here. This could be an interesting entry here. Could be an interesting entry here. But this is what I think about tone. Wormhole and AR. WSDT. Yeah, so nice pump, right? Obviously, we got a nice pump. We need to see a 50 retrace, a market structure shift on the 5 minute. We do have the 15 retrace, or 50 retrace. Accumulate. Look at this. Look at this. It's coming for the beginning of the inefficiency, possibly. This could be a great entry below here. Something like this. Stop down here. We need to see a market structure shift. So we need to see something like this. And then you want to enter. But kind of this is what I'm looking at on Wormhole. Let's look at AR. Yeah. So Ren, you know, I respect Ren for his, you know, incredible calls and great understanding of projects. This is one of his highest conviction plays, this bull, AR. So from a TA perspective, whether this is a great entry point, you could technically play this, but you need to have a manual stop because there is liquidity laying below here. So this would be my, first of all, if you want to have a proper stop, you could do this. You could do this. Or you can enter now, right? Spot, not a bad buy at all. You could enter here, or you could place your stop down here. This could be about a 7%. Or what you can also do if you have patience is that you can wait for the market structure shift on the 5 minute, right? If you wait for that, you have a clear validation down here, you can long it, and that would give, you know, that would be perfect. Other than that, the only problem I have is that on the 4 hour and on the daily, it didn't get back to the discount zone. So the fact that it didn't go back to the discount zone, I would be kind of concerned taking a long here. There are probably better trades as well. Someone is saying, Aaron, we talked about RUNE. Let's talk about RUNE. RUNE. These are all manual stops. So it's coming down, probably coming down to the 50, hey? It's probably coming down to the 50%. That's what we want to see. It builds up liquidity. Possibly, yeah, possibly down here like a vickery fuckery. Yeah, a couple of percent. This can be good when Bitcoin takes this dump. This could be an interesting entry here. I would be interested if I saw a market structure shift around these levels, right? So then invalidation entry here, or you can wait for the retrace depending on how it goes. I would wait for these 5.2 levels to play out and then take it from there. It can actually come down all the way to 4.7. There's nothing stopping it. There is a void down there, so that would also be relevant. So I'm saying WIF. We can look at WIF, no probs. These were all manual stops. This would have worked out though, but this was also a manual stop. Let me see. Yeah, so WIF, same thing here, right? So I would want to see a lower time frame reaction after the 50 hit. that just happened now from here. Great push. It's coming back down. It's building up liquidity. My only problem with this, let me just delete everything here. My only problem here is that we are seeing liquidity built up here. That's my only problem, right? So actually, yeah, exactly. No, I would not trade this. I would not trade this. It doesn't look that bad, but I mean, if you look at it on the daily, I mean, it's, you know, I would not be surprised if this would take a little bit of hit down, a little bit lower, possibly to like this 2.44 region. If you are looking to short something and you see Bitcoin dropping and not stopping or whatever, this could be interesting. By the way, let's look back to the... Also, I have to leave the window open. I have to leave the window open for it to mine these tokens. So it didn't work out. But if I leave it open, so probably like it was probably open for like 5 minutes, and I made about 7,000 tokens. So that about 5, yeah. So probably you need about 8 minutes. Let's say 10 minutes to make 7,000 tokens. So every hour you earn with the previous airdrop, if we calculate the same thing, every hour you earned about 20 bucks. No, about $1. Sorry, $1. So 20 cents. Times 5, no, it's hold on, so it's 24 hours. So every hour I earn 1 gummy. No, every 10 minutes I earn 1 gummy. So every 60 minutes I earn 12 gummy, right? What am I talking about? 6 gummies. Sorry, 6 gummies, and that's $1.2 exactly. 6 gummies, this is $1.2 at peak. So if I multiply that with 24, then I'm earning about $26, $28 a day if I'm just running this, right? So if that happens, that's pretty decent. That means that if you just ran on one computer, not on your phone, whatever, you made about $700 on the Bubbles airdrop. That's what it was. So could be very lucrative as well, and it takes you nothing. So could be a great opportunity. So I'm saying Doge. Let's look at Doge. And then, guys, I have to leave. But let's look at Doge. Doge, actually Doge is not looking that, actually it's not looking that bad as it was. Actually it's looking pretty good, except the liquidity. So we do have this here, right? So we do have the inefficiency here. We tap onto that, we show a reaction, we come retrace. This actually does look very good. It does look very good. If you see Bitcoin playing ball, if you see Bitcoin coming a little bit lower and starts pumping, you could take a long position on Doge. Take your entry where people, where institutions put their... So place your entry where people put their stop losses in this scenario. So down here, this should play out. This should play out. Massive liquidity built up. Doge can actually rip from here. Doge can actually rip from here. Easy 30%. I might consider taking this trade. Not now, but I might consider looking at when everything starts pumping. If my theory is right and we are going to pump, we can. This could be an interesting trade. Doge. Let's look at Solana, and then this is the last one because then I have to leave. Paul is saying, Sol, please. Same thing. So look at this, same thing. We have liquidity built up here, right? So potentially down here to the inefficiency, which would be, yeah, around this region, I would be interested in taking a long. Around here. Again, we need to see how it goes. 2 big stop, and there's liquidity laying here below. So I would definitely need to see like a market structure shift here for me to confirm a long, but this would be what I would be interested in. I'll actually place an alert here and then take it as it comes. Guys, I have something prepped for you, which is something very new. Something very new, right? Drew is saying next target for Gummy is 420. Nice. So, guys, I have something pretty exciting for us all. So, you know, I always say that when we end the show, just write your comment if you like this or if you didn't like this, or just, you know, just leave your review. That also gives me an idea, how did I do on this show, if you like this, if you will come back tomorrow, and it shows some love. So I had my team prepare something for us. I'm gonna show you now, this is not the end of the show. I'm gonna show you now how it looks. You know what, I'm actually not gonna show you how it looks. What I want you to do is please let me know now in the comment section. Let me know how did you like this show. If it's good or bad, basically just give a short review. If you like this also, smash the subscribe button, the like button. I can also show before I leave, and I give you time to just write your comments if you liked it or not. I just wanted to look at this as well. This beauty is 4,582 guys, absolutely crazy. We have 30, 40 people subscribing every single day, which is just absolutely mind-blowing for me. It's absolutely mind-blowing. We are heading to 10,000 and then 100,000 this bull market. I guarantee it. I'm happy that you're here on the journey. If you like this, please come back tomorrow. Tomorrow is weekend. Maybe I do a weekend show. Should I do a weekend show? Maybe I do a weekend show. If I do a weekend show, it's awesome. Other than that, I have an absolute alpha pack show dropping on Banter. One is 5 ways or 6 ways how you can lose money in crypto. So I analyze the ways people lose money in crypto. And the other one is about whales markets. So there is a way to convert your get grass points and sell your points from Parcel and Friendtech and EigenLayer and sell them on the market right now, basically taking no risk with the launch. It's going to be a very cool show, so keep an eye on that. One of them is Saturday, the other one is on Sunday. So thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for watching. And check out the end screen and let me know what you think. I think it's pretty cool. All right, take care. I'll see you in the next one.